We're just in Docklands area. We've got a customer who's got 2 severed cables under the ground. Because they're underground, they need to have waterproof joints, so I've got special joint compound kits, 4 of them, which I'm going to use to connect the cable back up again, so the builders can fill the hole up and make it safe again. One of the most exciting bits, trying to work out how to do it. What's the best possible solution? Everything's a challenge. The job I'm doing now, this is quite specialised, not everyone can do this sort of stuff or know how to do it because it's quite technical. Right, that's it, that's the connections made. Just need to test that it's working and all the connections are safe, and then I'm going to fill it up with resin and complete the job. Okay, it's just mixing the 2 resins together. This resin, it's going to set around the cables, and when it's dry it'll be a good insulator. Just inside the pack we have a little cap, just goes on top, and that's it, it's a waterproof joint. That's the finished job. I'm going to give the customer a call and he'll probably arrange for the builders to come and fill that in tomorrow, and security can turn on their cameras first thing tomorrow once the resin's set and everything's nice and safe.